Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Spear, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the LEGO Ninja race car. And as you can see, this set has 94 pieces and looks like it's going to be a really cool set, so remember to smash that like, the subscribe button for some awesome videos with Justin Spear, and here's the time lapse for this set. Hey guys, so that was the time lapse for this build, and as you can see, this build comes with many different kinds of stickers, along with a lot of swords, and a minifigure that comes in the car. And this is a very cool set, so remember, smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome videos with Dustin Spear, and I'll see you in another video with the Dustin Spear. See ya!